Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Alright, so first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it right after entering the Play Store on your own, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so now we can enter the Play Store. So here all we have to do is to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. That's why we need to be signed in. And tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then tap on Manage and go to Updates Available. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of apps which can be updated because they are already installed on our device. And basically all you have to do is to mark those which you wish to update and tap on update icon. Of course, if you want to, you can update all of those apps, so it's up to you. Just mark all of them if you wish. So let me mark this one, and maybe this one. So just mark them and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.